guys! So today, first day ng balik ng school ni Christian. So yan, bibisa natin siya kasi napunasan ko na si Christian at saka dali ko na rin si Ayla kasi walang magbabantay. So yeah, let's go guys. Hatid natin yung mga bata. Hatid natin si Christian pala. Can I believe you, big boy? Yeah. Let me see. Let me see. Stop watching yourself. You're big boy, you're supposed to behave with mommy.
What did that say? No, 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 no.
Very smart King. King is very smart. So, necktie. Yeah, necktie niya guys, ang cute.
Necktie?
Yeah. Give it some.
Why? One necktie. Why?
Ay, this is put. Ito put na yun ni.
Yeah, and then I would.
Huh?
And then I would.
I didn't know your name.
Yeah, name.
Because CS.
Yes. You be on yes.
Hanggang.
I want a name.
Yeah, put na yun eh.
Okay.
Yeah. Wow, look at you. Handsome. Ito yung guys si King. Big boy na talaga si King, guys. Yeah?
Like that big? That
No, this is your old uniform. This is still okay.
Okay. What is cool? Beautiful. What are our cool food?
Baby, that's your uniform.
No.
Yan guys, dati polo shirt lang sila. Ngayon, talagang ano na. Okay, shoes on please. Show to the guys your uniform. Show to guys. Baby, let me see. Stop moving.
I should be about Anya.
Oh, look at the guys. Look at the guys. Lord. Wala tayong time. Pati si King guys na-excite sa kanyang uniform. Sa bago niyang uniform ba? So itong shoes niya guys, mamurahin ng to. 7,000 to yung bili. Kasi yung kickers niya, na dating sapatos niya, hindi na namin pinasuot guys. Which is okay pa sana. Kasi nga, ano siya, mabigat. Kaya, balati siya natutumba doon kasi mabigat. Ito magaan, sobrang gaan. What, be? Wow, look at that. Very smart, be? Wow, very smart. Very handsome. Wow. So now, we're gonna fix your hair.
Pretty good. I want to figure out her.
Now, we're gonna fix your hair. Baby, take picture, babe. I'm gonna take picture. Christian. That's Ayla. Let's stand up there. Stand up there, cause baby. King. Look at mommy. Wow, handsome. What is that? Like that. I cannot see your uniform. Your lovely uniform. There you go. No, just take this off. King. You cannot see your uniform.
Well, okay.
You covered this. You're supposed to cover that. Yeah, you covered it.
Okay, I'm done again.
Show to me. Right, Christian? Just stand up straight there. Stand up straight. I'm gonna stand to that. Yeah, like that. Oh. Just it, no. Maybe. Stand up, ma. That's it. 1, 2, smile. No, don't do that. Stand up straight. Let's go. What about your hair? Your hair need to put some cream.
Wait, what the?
You sit down there.
What the? Regina. Okay, food. Regina.
You're playing with Ayla. What time na? It's 8:06. Meron pa tayong 15 minutes, King. Are you talking to Ayla? What are you talking to Ayla? Tell her you're going to school. What are you talking to Ayla, Christian? What are you whispering there? And Ayla is listening too. She's listening to look.
I'm done. I see you.
So,
Happy boy.
yeah. Hatid natin si Christian, guys, sa kanyang school. First day of school ni Christian. So, nakapack na lahat dito. Yung water na niya. Ano ba yung sinasabi sa bag? Ano bang bag dapat? Hindi ko alam kung may sinabi sila sa bag. Sino ba yan? That's it. So your water is here. Careful. Careful with Ella Gentle. Yeah, so we're going na, guys, no? Mag-ano na lang ako, mag-lipstick. Tapos saan sa tayo. It's nice with Ayla. So, yeah, lipstick na tayo. Para hindi tayo mukhang ano, guys, no? Hindi tayo mukhang haggard. So, 8:09 is 10 to 9 yung pasukan nila ba? So, alis tayo dito ng 8:30, mga ganun. So, yun, guys. First day of school. Diyos ko, Lord. Tatay pa naman ako. We're going, guys. Oh, your jacket. Your jacket. Ah, sorry. What bag? Look, it's raining. Christian, Christian. What are you doing there? Here's your jacket. So, magdi-jacket na si Christian. No, it's raining. Ah, okay. You want the whale?
No, what is that? I want that.
What? What that? What?
That's so nice. That's what I want to. Ew, I want to. Now.
What is that? So she can breathe. She's sleeping. So yeah. I don't know where's this one. Okay. Let's go. It's raining.
Ganun daw siya. Na-recognize si William siya, si Ben.
Hello guys, meron tayong bisita.
Kain.
So, kakain tayo. Ulam namin is adobong babs. Gusto mo ko?
No, my God po.
Hindi ka nagkukok? Ano naman siya eh? Zero. Ayun, maya.
Caffeine, hindi ako nagka-caffeine. Well,
Zero
limited,
sugar.
konti lang.
Maya, sort yourself. Maganda yun. Nakapalogan yan daw sinabi.
Oo, gusto ko din.
Natapos mo talaga yan lahat?
Hindi, ang haba, ang daming.
Ay, naku, tapos yun dahil na-addict. Kaya pinaanood ko ulit. Tapos meron silang pinali. May pinali sila na sa sinihan. Sabi ko, you have to look after Ayla ha. Magana go to the cinema. Paborito ko kasi yan.
Pinali sa cinema?
Bakit? Meron din naman sa Netflix later on. Pero ang tagal nun.
Ay, mag-isa ka manunood.
Eh, gusto mo sama ka?
Kailan? Ay, hindi ko naman.
Pula-pula pa naman. Kapag ano,
Oo, sama.
bili tayo ng ticket sa biyahe kita pag free
Sige,
ka.
oo.
Sabi ko, dali na ha. Alam niyo kasi addict na addict ako dyan eh.
Maganda siya. Nung, ano pa
Maganda
nga.
ko natapos mo, Core. Napanood mo talaga lahat.
Oo, hindi ko nga napanood lahat. Pero ang story niya talagang British na British, diba?
Gusto ko yung...
Ganyan yung dating nursing home na dating pinag-working ko. Ganyan, para siyang
Parang palasyo.
Oo, parang palasyo na ano. Kaya ay nako.
Naku, ang laki, Core.
Mm.
Di, paano nyo mahanap yung mga resident kasi ang laki? Paano kapag
May radyo
booking?
kami. Radyo. Tapos may in charge per floor.
Tutulog siya. Lagay mo natin si Ayla. Lagay natin siya.
Kain tayo.
Laki, palasyo talaga. Siguro ganun mga bahay dati ko, no?
Yung mga dating school yun.
High school.
Parang anuhan ng mga boys schools, parang boarding school. Alam mo yung mga mayayaman, dun sinasend yung mga anak.
Ganun pala sila, no? Kaya, ibig sabihin yung mga Pilipino pala, no? Kasi meron tayong mga boarding schools sa Pilipinas, yung mga malayo, yung mga ano, doon pala nakopya siguro, no?
Doon na ano, 'di ba si President Marcos ata dito din pinala ng tatay niya dito sa UK. Nag-aral siya ng konti. I'm not sure how long, pero dito nag-boarding.
Dito sa UK?
Oo, yung mga social.
Mayaman?
Oo, yung mga social na sa Philippines, dito pinsinan yung mga ano nilang mag-aral.
Pala talaga sila. Ini Marcos. Marcos,
Siyempre, no?
mayaman. Ito man, hindi yan ang panoorin natin, ha? Okay lang ba?
Oh my God.
Kain, guys! Adobo ang aming ulam.
Up naman, may itlog
Tingnan mo, binigay ng anak ng residente. Anak ng residente nila dati.
Wow. May mga ano sila eh.
Ano to yan,
Sa garden.
Sa garden?
Ang
tawag
sa
yan,
Glendale dati. Mga kamatis ang dami.
Ano ang tawag yan, Daya, ng organic?
Greenhouse tawag nila.
Sarap. Sarap, Daya.
Sarap kumain, guys.
Guys ka. Sama naman doon tapos lagyan mo ng ganito.
Kasi pagtanong ko, guys, dahil
Ano?
maano na siya, malaki na yung matalong ko.
Ah,
Mahulog na.
pumayat ka nga, Core.
Kumayat ako.
Pumayat ka, Core.
Sobra
Sa anak yan, Core, kasi dalawa lang lalaki pa, Core. Ay, Diyos ko.
Ang bilis nilang, oh my God, si William. Naku,
Si Christian, guys. Okay, sit down na and then change your clothes. So you can have ice lolly. Come on, sit down na. Christian. Nakawin si Christian, guys. Grabe ang guys, grabe ang pagod sa labas kasi at saka yung yung stress sa labas, grabe kasi nga si Ayla, umiiyak siya pag ilagay ko siya sa pram. Kahit na tinutulak ko siya, naiyak pa din siya ba? Ayaw talaga niya magpalagay sa pram. Tapos buhatin ko siya, tapos tulak ko yung pram. Isipin niyo, guys. Ayaw talaga niya magpalagay. So bukas ang gagamitin ko kapag walang ulan, carrier bag na lang para at least hindi ako mahirapan sa kanya. Oh, dito siya. Oh. Naiyak na siya, guys. Dito siya. Dito pa siya sa prom. I know. It's hot, isn't it? Remove your clothes. I know, baby girl. Okay. Yes. Tagal ko na itong niya. Ang gamit mo kasi nga. Oh dear, okay. We're home na. We're home na. We're home. Tayo ka ba? Hello guys! Hello guys tayo. Hello, guys!
Mommy, what?
Alam niyo ba, guys, na-scratch naman yung face niyo. Yung face niya, na-scratch na naman. You want milk? You just had milk. You just had milk, Mama. I know, baby. Christian, sit down here if you want ice lollies, because the yeah, sit down here because the chair is gonna be dirty.
Okay.
Okay, move na.
Hi, one.
Okay, sit down, love.
Ow.
Ay, shucks, what is that? Ice lolly for Christian.
Kinecting.
I need the vacuum. Ito yung sasabi ko na. Ibigay sa kanya.
I want it. It's red. What?
And then if you eat, like that, oh. If you eat, you crack in the middle. Like that. And then push up. That's it. Then eat. And then it again, crack again, push up. That's it. Would you like this as well? This bread. Ito naman, binigay ni Cora. Iniwan niya.
I'm not walking.
Yeah, that's... Ay, shucks tayo. Ayla. Yeah, that's it. Is it good? Ito naman, oh. Cinnamon. Yan, cinnamon.
What is that?
Yeah, try si Cora.
I know it's mood.
And that.